morning. Look. It really is another beautiful morning. What is this, day 3? Our 3rd day here?
10th day.
I wish. 10th day. We live here now. We moved in. But no, this is our 3rd day. 2nd full day. But our 3rd day here. 2nd full day, yeah. So I think today we're actually going to get into some stuff. Snorkeling. After snorkeling, we'll probably grab some lunch and then possibly go to check out Lovers Beach, which is, if I can get up. Can I see it from over here? I don't even know. Yeah, I can. It's, wait. I can't see it from over here. You see where those rocks are? Yeah, y'all see those rocks. Maybe I need to go to the other side of the balcony. Okay. It's early in the morning. It is, what,
It's too early.
About 7:30?
Probably earlier than that.
Okay, there's a better picture. So I think we're gonna go and check out the Arch, Lovers Beach, Divorce Beach, whatever.
Lovers Beach, not Divorce Beach.
No, there's a Divorce Beach on the other side, but I don't know if we can.
No, we're not going there. We're not divorced yet, okay?
There's one of them. There's one of them that has like really crazy like tides and stuff, and it's not safe. I don't know which one it is, but we're gonna probably check that out today. Also do some snorkeling. What?
The rock.
Yeah, the rock.
Isn't that rock? Move it.
Oh, that rock. Yes,
where we're going
that rock.
Snorkeling at.
Thanks, babe, for the demonstration. I appreciate it. So yeah, we're gonna check that out today. I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. Haven't thought that far ahead. Right now we're getting ready to get some more room service because it was really good yesterday morning. We have some food on the way, so we're gonna wait on that, and then we're gonna get ready to roll out of here and snorkel. That's what I'm really excited about. Head to the marina. We haven't been down to the marina yet, so we'll check that out and shoot some footage of it when we get there. And then tomorrow, what's tomorrow, babe? I don't think he remembers.
Parasailing. Tomorrow we actually are going
yes.
parasailing.
Parasailing, but what's the highlight of tomorrow?
Parasailing.
San Jose del Cabo.
No, we're going
or maybe we'll
to
check
Flora Gardens.
Flora Farms, yes. That's in San Jose, though. But we'll be checking it out, though. Really excited about that because it is an organic farm with farm to table. Like, literally, this place is beautiful, you all.
Yeah, everything's basically fresh and organic.
Beautiful. I will definitely get some footage of that. I mean, it's absolutely stunning out there. They have a wedding venue and everything out there. It's really, really awesome, really nice. So we'll definitely let you know what that's like. Last night we got a chance to finally check out the Baja Brewing Company, and that place was pretty good. Awesome music, great atmosphere. I do
live music.
Yeah,
actually.
live music.
Yeah,
playing, really good live band. I don't drink beer. Babe does, and
I thought it was great, actually.
he liked the beer that he
Local
got. Do you remember
brewing
which one you got?
La Surfa was really mild, and the peyote was very strong and aggressive, is what they claim.
It was very disgusting because I don't drink beer, but he's the beer guy right here.
But make sure when you do go to Baja Brewing, you go in to the 7th floor is how we had to access it.
At Cabo Villas.
At Cabo Villas. So you actually have to go through the entrance of Cabo Villas and walk through the hotel lobby, but if you asked anybody there where Baja Brewing is, they will definitely
tell you. Yeah, it's on the 7th floor. And then there's a new place called Rooftop 360 over there at Cabo Villas. It's on the 9th floor. It looks like it's an amazing atmosphere. They have like pools or a pool out there, a restaurant. It looks really cool. I don't know if we'll get a chance to check them out this trip, but if we do, we'll definitely get some footage for you for that too. It's pretty awesome. Or looks awesome anyway.
So far, our stay here at Villa La Estancia
Has been great.
Riding up and down the coast. We're actually on our way to Chileno Bay. Chileno Bay.
Okay, y'all. We're not gonna split up. We're not gonna fucking do this. We're
Hey.
gonna do all this.
So this tour is actually, which tour are we on?
It's called the Caborey, but it's like the snorkel tour.
It is actually called Caborey. If you live in the marina, that's where you can actually locate it. That's where we went to. But
Caborey.
if you guys are interested, we have a good concierge via Facebook that we'll link you up with a little bit later on. And his name is Salvador. And our buddy has definitely hooked us up. Papi Chulo has hooked us up. But it's going to be a good day, guys. You ready? I think she's ready.
I'm ready. I want some paddleboards.
It's just 5. We gotta go home.
I just want whatever. I'm ready to just dive in the water, but the water is kind of deceiving. It's very deep out here.
I think that's the hacienda.
That might be the hacienda right there.
The colors kind of stand out. Like the guy who's on the grill. I need somebody with that kind of face.
Dave's over here.
Oh,
We are ready.
ready to go. I'm about to fall off the boat.
She almost fell off. I took an L right there.
I did not.
You don't want to fall fall off and then I had to go rescue her. So I always love doing it. Beautiful.